Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making the practice area safe and focused. Place a mat or clear 2 to 3 meters of floor and remove hazards so you can move without interruption. Once done, pick a wooden bakken or similar substitute and set a timer for your first session. This creates structure and prevents overexertion. Warm up for 10 to 15 minutes with joint mobility and light stretching so your body can support precise movement. These steps set the physical and mental frame for Daijisho. You now build the core mechanics: stance, alignment, and breathing. Start in a neutral kami with feet shoulder width and weight balanced so you can shift smoothly. This prevents wasted motion. Practice 3 slow, deliberate strikes, emphasizing hip rotation and relaxed shoulders because power comes from the hips rather than the arms. Once done, link breath to motion. Inhale during preparation and exhale on execution to stabilize rhythm. Repeat each pattern 10 to 15 times to ingrain timing and coordination before increasing speed. You finish by integrating the elements into a flowing sequence and then closing deliberately. Link the practice strikes into a continuous 1 to 2 minute sequence, keeping rhythm and relaxed transitions because endurance and timing matter. Once done, cool down for 5 minutes with controlled breathing and gentle joint mobility to aid recovery. If something goes wrong, timing drifts, tension builds, stop and slow the tempo, isolate hip rotation, and practice the basic strike slowly until the coordination returns. This fixes core faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.